Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you my loaner. This is 2021 Porsche Macan, and it has pretty much all the options except the ugly wheels and the tires. So I don't like that at all, but it is very, very nice, and surprisingly it's very small. So that's the rear. Straight light is what makes Porsche very beautiful at night, but with the wheels like that, I mean, it doesn't look good at all, right? I mean, it just looks like a basic I don't know, basic some regular SUV, but because of the lights you can tell. And the front, look at this, beautiful. And if we go in, this is all comfort access. It opens up automatically. And look, it comes with the Alcantara seats. Hey, so this is a POV of 2021 Porsche Macan. And this is my loaner until they fix my TAYCAN for the AC servo motor errors. This is pretty good. It has an Apple CarPlay, so it's very, very convenient. I don't have to do anything. It automatically connects wirelessly, and it has a cool pedal shifter, so it actually works. See, 3, 2, and I noticed Porsche, all the gas cars have the RPM gauge right in the middle, unlike the other cars. So turn it down. And since it's a loaner, I didn't fix it up, but I installed this Halo Lock charger. Apple CarPlay works. The steering wheel looks nice, but it doesn't have the sport mode adjuster button or the dial, but it has the chrono, the clock that I really wanted for my TAYCAN, because this one actually shows the time. You know, the TAYCAN, I think it's like $2,500 option. So, you know, it just comes in as an electric clock. Anyways, very nice, easy to drive. It's a loaner, you know. Everything, it has a lot of options except the nice wheels. See, it has the lane departure warning, you just heard it. But it doesn't have the active cruise control, so it's very shitty when you're driving during traffic. But you know, it looks nice, everything looks nice. But since I'm used to the TAYCAN setup, you know, all these buttons, it seems like it's just too much. And all these buttons, it's cool because it even has a sport mode, so the exhaust becomes louder. See, it has a lot of options. Very nice. This is fairly new, 9,700 miles only, and the steering wheel looks really, really nice. That, I guess this goes faster than my TAYCAN, 150 miles per hour max. And by the way, these stickers on Porsche, that's the maximum speed you can go. But if you drive 150 with this car, I think you'll die. It comes with a panoramic roof, but it comes with little shade. So I don't know why TAYCAN doesn't have this option. Man, so I'll show you. So check this out from top. Watch. See, why doesn't TAYCAN have this? Man, so easy to operate. Look at that. That blocks out a lot of the heat, surprisingly. And over here, let's open it. So if you press it up, it only does a vent. I wish TAYCAN had that. And you can bring it down. And if you push the back, it actually opens up very, very wide. Look at that. And so it prevents the wind noise. This thing just pops up like that. Very high quality. You can just tell. You know, and let's close it. works well. And shade. This is needed on Tesla and TAYCANs. Every car that has a panoramic roof, please. This is not that hard to make. Look at that. That's beautiful. My wife wanted this for now, so I switched it for her. Very compact, very nice. These seats are like racing bucket seats, so it will really grab you, so you can't really move around, unlike the Lexus RX 350. You want to hear the sad news? Don't mind the messy garage, but I sold my Lexus RX 350. So sad. I just sold it at CarMax. They offered pretty high amount, just waiting for the new car. But it's like giving up my dog or cat for an adoption, and you're just dropping your pet, you know, just waiting for the new, more good looking pet. It just doesn't feel good, but oh well, that's life. Right now I don't have my TAYCAN, my wife doesn't have her Lexus, we have a loaner, and so I'm carless. Just fucking anyways, all right, let's get the best thumbnail. Boom, right there, like that maybe. Okay guys, thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.